Hey guys, how you all doing? How are you all doing? Yeah, been a bit late in doing this video. I did one about Debrid, which I recommend. I could say it's the best for bloody clickbait, but these are what I recommend, and these are the Debrid non-Debrid add-ons. And like I've been saying in previous videos, this year 2026 has been the best year for non-Debrid add-ons. Seriously, in all these years, that I've been, into using Kodi, right now, this year has been the best. That's what I believe in high quality uh, content from non-Debrid add-ons. All right, and also let me just state as well, I'm not one of these YouTubers who plots or displays URLs. I'm all about downloader codes, but I do have a big list of URLs. So what people have been doing is contacting me privately. You got my Gmail there, you got my Telegram there. I'll just send you a big list of URLs for builds and for add-ons. All right, hopefully the add-ons I mentioned on here, I've got a URL for them. I should have. Well, I can tell you where they can get them from. So do your research. Don't be pissed off. You guys are too damn lazy. You'll find these in builds as well. Some of the best non-Debrid builds. You got Cinema, you got Night Owl, you got Freedom. I think Diggs. I've not seen Diggs' stuff seriously in a long time. All right. So I'm sure he would probably include some of these as well. And then of course you got the Realist. He's like, to me, he's like the goat for non-Debrid builds. He'd probably have some of these. I know he's copied me in some of the stuff that I've got, but yeah. What else I need to say? Yeah, basically, do your research. Contact me privately. I don't want to put URLs unless I get permission from whoever these are. But we just start off with Black Lodge. Listen, guys, you don't need to get Debrid. People get Debrid because, what did they say? Because they want limited buffering. And as you know, even with Debrid, you'll get your buffer. If you got slow internet, if you're silly enough to be using a VPN as well at the same time, you're gonna get buffering. But Black Lodge is as close as the like Exodus or the original Genesis there is. If you want to know what is the working Exodus or Genesis add-on, Black Lodge, and to me it is the bread and butter of movie TV shows right now, non-Debrid, and it even works with Debrid. And even without the Debrid, you're still getting 4K stuff, so it is excellent. Fair enough, you're probably going to get about, I don't know, 20 gigs or whatever like that for the file size. But for most people, unless you're having a home cinema set up with speakers on the ceiling, speakers along the wall, subwoofers, projector, you don't really need Debrid. You can save your subscription. If it runs out, just use Black Lodge. Or if you don't believe me, just try one of the builds that I mentioned. You see the downloader codes. Just check my videos. Cinema, Night Owl. Try it out. And then you see and say, oh, yeah. And like I said, right now, there's so many. It's probably over five, six different of these these add-ons similar to Black Lodge, which to have a 4K. I've seen they're using the same scrapers. There's so many. Let me name. Can I name? One beginning with V. one called Cinema City. There's another one beginning with V. There's one called the Movies Database something, whatever movie. I don't know. They just come up with all these names. Some of them are from, I think one's from Ukraine. The other couple are from Romania. So the EU, you guys are doing it, man. Doing it good. So Black Lodge is the GOAT right now. That's what I reckon. If you guys know any others that can beat Black Lodge for just pure solely movies and TV shows, because some of the others I mentioned, they do have a mixture of live TV as well. Let us know. Just let me know. All right. Next is Fido. Fido's like an all-in-one. Many sections don't work, but for movies and TV shows, especially old stuff, it's still, to me, it's still king. Only the best builds out there would have this. There's a film I've been looking to see. I remember seeing it when I was a kid, and some of us even saw it at school. An Australian film called Walkabout. That's made before I was born in 1971 or something. I don't know. But yeah, Australian film has got some UK actors in it. It's on Fido. You can't. Sometimes you try and look on other add-ons, you can't even find it on there. Okay. Next we got Look Movies. It's really weird because I was trying to toss up between this one and Cosmos, but this one, Look Movies, you know, you can get from the Digs repo. Let me just say, Black Lodge you can get from 3 different repos. I believe the is it Old Sorts or Old? Oh damn, I can't remember. You get 3 different repos. The one beginning with D. Dexy's repo has the latest version, just so you guys know. But like I said, you can contact me privately for it. Look Movies, I like it. It's got not just American and British stuff. It's got stuff from around the world. You got new stuff, and then you got old stuff as well. I mean, it's not all about watching the latest stuff, because as you know, the latest movies, some of them are not even that great compared to the older stuff. But yeah, Look Movies is definitely one to have. TV3, that's the 4th box along at the bottom from left to right. That is a very unique one for, you know, reality. If you love your reality TV stuff, that is the one to go for. Traitors, Married at First Sight. You know, when people ask me, Nick, where can I catch this? I said, look, this one here. This one has stuff that you can't even get on Debrid. And remember, real Debrid or whatever Debrid doesn't have everything, all right? Everything comes free first. Then it gets uploaded to, I don't know, shared with the Debrid servers. But yeah, TV3 is also a must-have. So we know the website where they get their content from, but these guys, Friday, Look Movies, Black Lodge, you guys are legends, man. And the last one, Cosmos. Now Cosmos is a new one. Well, I come across it in, I don't know, a month or 2. Even one of the Dig members have asked me about it as well. How can I say? It's great. It's a great add-on, one-click add-on. I think it's got a scraper section in there. I like it because of the old school. You click on a link and it'll give you a Debrid version. It'll give you a 720. No, it'll give you a non-Debrid version. It'll give you a 720 Debrid version and probably a 1080 Debrid version and a 4K Debrid version. So both teams can use it. You know, Debrid users and non-Debrid. It is a new add-on, so the guy's changing it, so you see changes and stuff like that. It's got new releases, just like Look Movies. So for you guys who like your one-click new releases, there you go. All right then, guys, I think that's it. That's enough. I hope I haven't said too much. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the football. That's why I've been a bit slow, delaying doing videos, but thank you very much. Thank you very much.